Hello everyone, myself Pinky Utmani. So here I'm back with my new video in which I'm going to discuss some questions and answers like one word answers and questions. As we know that judiciary exam is coming like Bihar, MP, Delhi. So हमारे judiciary के exam में एक part होता है that is GS का part. उसमें कुछ जनरल साइंस जनरल नॉलेज से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो हेयर आर सम क्वेश्चंस जो विच में हेल्प यू इन योर जुडिशरी एग्जाम ऑल्सो. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट, बट before things get started, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for never missing a video from Law Ocean. Start. What is the capital of Zimbabwe? Is Harare. In which country Al Tahrir Square is located? Is Egypt. Which country has the largest hydropower generating plant? Is China. Which country Christopher Columbus belonged to? Italy. Pythagoras belongs to which country? That is Greece. Isaac Newton belongs to which country? England. When did railway service start in India? Is 1857. Mount Everest, named after which colonel, is George Everest. What is the meaning of de facto? That is in reality or fact. What is the name of the planet with shortest day? Is Jupiter. Which book was written by Tolstoy? War and Peace. In which month the Russian Revolution was started? Is February 1917. Who is the present Chief Justice of the International Court? Is Justice Dalveer Bhandari. What is the circumference of the Earth? Is Earth's circumference at the equator is 24,905.55 miles. What is the name of the deepest point of the Pacific Ocean? Is Mariana Trench. To which country the father of Obama belongs to? Is Kenya. Who gave the theory of special relativity? It was developed by Albert Einstein in 1905. Which theory was given by Isaac Newton? Is law of planetary motion. What is the name of the strait between Malaysia and Indonesia? Is Strait of Malacca. Which strait separates Spain and Morocco? Strait of Gibraltar. What is the meaning of pediatrics? That is care of children. In which continent largest river is located? Is the Nile. In Africa. In which country mountain Kilimanjaro is located? Is Tanzania. When was the first international flight from Pakistan? Is 1955. Which is the device when pressed keys encode word on screen? Is keyboard. What is the GDP growth rate of Pakistan? Is 2%. How much part of agriculture is in GDP of Pakistan? Is 20. How much part of agriculture in GDP of Pakistan? Is 21%. What is the name of Parliament of Israel? Is Knesset. When Pakistan won the first Olympic medal is 1916 in hockey. When did Abdus Salam receive a Nobel Prize? Is October 15, 1979. Who invented dynamite? Is Alfred Nobel in 1867. What was the old name of Myanmar? Is Burma. Which atmosphere layer is nearest to the Earth? Is troposphere. Which is the biggest planet? Is Venus. What is the shape of Milky Way? Is spiral. Where is the headquarters of WTO located? Is Geneva, Switzerland. Who wrote the book about Indian Muslim? Is William Hunter. Which river has a blind dolphin? That is the Ganges River. Who is special envoy of USA to Afghanistan and Pakistan? Is Mark Grossman. What was the code name of India's first atomic operation? Is Smiling Buddha. What is the cheapest source of energy? Is hydel. Which player twice won a Grand Slam? Is Rod Laver. What is the highest rank in the Air Force? Is Chief Marshal. What is the percentage of oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere? Is 20%. What is the name of the process of sun heating the Earth? Is insolation, but not verified. What is the time taken by sunlight to reach Earth? Is 8 minutes. Mixtures of metals are called alloys. Which organisms produces insulin in the body's pancreas? What does the pillar what does the fifth pillar of Islam mean? Hajj, that is pilgrimage to Makkah. When did Christians conquer Granada? In 1942. I hope these questions will literally help you out in your judiciary exam. Want to inform you one thing, that these notes are not prepared by me. These notes are prepared by Ultimate Law Associate, which is a great YouTube channel which provides great knowledge also. Those students who belongs to Hindi medium, this channel will really help you. This channel will really help you out if you belongs to Hindi medium. So, and the link of this channel, that is Law Ultimate Law Associate, is mentioned in bio. So go and check the link, and also subscribe this channel if you want to. And thank you so much for watching, and all the best to all those students who applied for judiciary exams. Thank you so much.